Okay, so in this lab, we're going to hack into a Windows 7 virtual machine. So if I show you here, minimize this real quick. So right now I have pfSense running, I have the Windows 7 VM running, and I have Kali Linux. And we're going to use a tool called Mimikatz to try and get the password for the Windows 7 machine. Now, the Windows 7 machine, of course, you know the password already. It's here. But in case you didn't know the information, then this tool would be very helpful for this. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to my terminal. And I'm going to do if config, get my IP address. Okay. And then I'm going to open another tab. I'm going to go to my downloads folder, do ls. So I have a new installation here, so I don't have anything in my downloads folder. So I'm going to get the Mimikatz file. I have it on GitHub for you. So just do https://github.com/CITP 4348/mimi.git. Okay. I want to press enter. And then I'm going to do ls. Now I have a new directory called Mimi, so I'm going to do cd mi. I'm going to hit clear. And then I'm going to do ls. And then now I have a zip file. And the zip file contains a lot of different files, but the only one we need is the mimikatz.exe. And what we're going to do is we're going to extract that and then generate a Python web server so we can transfer that file to Windows 7 and then use it to get the password. Okay. Now, this particular file is it's a pretty popular file, so a lot of virus scanners, virus detection systems will identify it because it's so widely used. But I'm thinking the Windows 7 machine that we have doesn't have any of those protections, so it shouldn't be a problem. But if you try it on a Windows 10 machine, it will work, but you have to bypass all the security measures that the Windows 10 machine has. So that's only difference. Okay, so to unzip, I'm going to do unzip, and then the name of the file. So mimikatz_trunk.zip. So then press enter. Okay, so then it went ahead and unzipped for us. It created several directories. So I'm going to do ls. There's a lot of different files here. We don't really need all this stuff. In this case, our virtual machine, our Windows 7 virtual machine is just to verify, it should be a 32-bit machine. We go here. Yeah, you see, so operating system Windows 32-bit. So we'll use a 32-bit version. Okay. And so I'm going to do cd win32 ls. And the file we need is this one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear. And okay, so now let me go ahead and start the web server. So I'm going to do python 3-m http.server. And I'm going to do port 8080. Okay, and then let's go ahead and run that. And then I'm going to go here to my Windows machine. I'm going to open up Internet Explorer. I'm going to do http:// and then my IP address was 192.160.1.100. So let's do that here. 192.168.100 and then colon for the port. That's 8080. Oh, I put instead of I was supposed to put a 1, not a 0. Sorry. Okay, there you go. So we have all the different files here. The only one I need is this guy right here. So I'm going to go ahead and download that and save. Save it in my downloads folder. Hit close. Okay. And I don't think the antivirus is up to date on this Windows machine, so it didn't detect it. Otherwise, it would have flagged it and tried to delete it. So it's in downloads now. So it's right here. Okay. So now what I'm going to do to get this to run. All right. I'm going to go here to the start button. I'm going to do CMD for command prompt. Now, before I run the command prompt, I need to run it as an administrator. So I'm going to hit run as administrator and then hit yes. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to the downloads folder for this user. So that's going to be CD C colon backslash. So watch, let me do enter here. Let me do dir. Okay, so we're going to go to users. So CD users. Okay. And then I'm going to do CLS. And then from users, let me do dir. Okay, so then the folder is IE users. So then I'll do CD IE user. And then dir, there should be a downloads folder here. Yes. So then I'm going to CD downloads. Okay. So the full directory is C colon backslash users backslash IE users backslash downloads. And then here, if I do dir, here's the mimicats.exe. So to run that, I'm going to do dot backslash mimicats.exe. I'm going to press enter. So here we're running this particular tool for hacking Windows computers. And in order for us to hack it, we have to get the password hashes that are in memory. And in order to obtain that information using this tool, we have to go into a privilege debug mode. So to do that, you're going to type privilege, and then colon debug. And if it works okay, you should get an OK message. Yeah, you see privilege 20 OK. So now we can extract those password hashes from memory, and then by using a module called sec URL SA, I don't know how to pronounce that. It's spelled SEK URL SA colon log on passwords. So that's SEK URL SA colon log on passwords. Press enter. I'm going to maximize this real quick so you can see all the information that we have. And we want to look for this particular user. Okay, so we want to go through all the users that are listed here using this tool. And here you'll see some different passwords. There's another user here called SSHD server, and then that's the password here. So that's information we didn't have before. And then here's the IE user, the one we're logged in as now, but we've never actually entered the password before. But this is the password, and it was recovered from here. So if there was other user accounts here that you needed access to, you didn't have the credentials, then this tool may be something that could really help you out in that instance. Okay. So that's really going to be it for this lab. You're welcome to try out all the other features that this tool can do. You're welcome to experiment with it, but at least this is just enough to get you started. All right, so I want to thank you for watching. I hope this video is informative, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.